Our muscles are the unsung heroes of our existence. They power every movement, from the blink of an eye to the most Herculean feats of strength. We are symphonies of motion, and muscles are the instruments that bring our physical selves to life. But how do these remarkable tissues work? Muscles are composed of bundles of fibers. Each fiber is a long, cylindrical cell containing specialized proteins. These proteins interact, pulling against each other, to generate force and shorten the muscle, causing it to contract. This contraction is the fundamental basis of all movement. When muscles contract, they pull on the bones to which they are attached by tendons. Imagine a puppet master pulling on strings to animate a marionette. This is akin to how muscles move our skeletal system. The coordinated action of multiple muscles enables the complex and graceful movements we often take for granted. Muscles are not simply inert tissues waiting for commands. They are dynamic structures, constantly adapting and changing in response to the demands placed upon them. Understanding how muscles grow and strengthen is key to unlocking our physical potential. Every movement, every action originates in the brain. This command center sends electrical signals like lightning bolts of intention racing down the spinal cord and branching out through a network of nerves. These nerves, called motor neurons, act as messengers carrying the brain's commands to the muscles. When the signal reaches the muscle fibers, it triggers a cascade of events. Calcium ions, essential for muscle contraction, are released within the muscle cells. This triggers the interaction of the contractile proteins, actin and myosin, causing them to slide past each other. The sliding of these proteins generates the force of contraction. The more motor units recruited, the stronger the force generated. This elegant interplay between the nervous system and the muscular system allows us to move with precision and power. The brain is constantly learning and adapting, refining its control over our muscles with every movement. This intricate dance between electrical impulses and muscular contractions is the foundation of our physical capabilities. Our muscles are incredibly adaptable. They respond to challenges by becoming stronger and more resilient. When we consistently push our muscles beyond their comfort zone, we trigger a process of adaptation and growth. This is the principle behind weightlifting and other forms of resistance training. When we lift weights, for example, we create microscopic tears in our muscle fibers. This may sound alarming, but it is a natural and essential part of muscle growth. These tiny tears signal to the body that the muscle needs to become stronger to handle the increased demand. The body responds by initiating a repair process. Specialized cells rush to the site of damage, clearing away debris and laying down new protein strands to repair the tears. This repair process doesn't simply restore the muscle to its previous state, it makes it stronger and more capable of handling future challenges. This adaptation allows us to gradually increase the amount of weight we can lift, run faster, jump higher, and perform other physical feats that were once beyond our reach. The human body is a marvel of adaptation, constantly striving to meet the challenges we place upon it. Section 4. The cycle of destruction and growth. Muscle growth is not a linear process, it is a cyclical journey of breakdown and rebuilding, of destruction and renewal. This cycle begins with the application of stress, such as lifting weights or engaging in strenuous activity. As we push our muscles to their limits, we create those microscopic tears in the muscle fibers. This is the destructive phase of the cycle, but it is an essential precursor to growth. This damage triggers an inflammatory response, a natural part of the healing process. During the recovery phase, which is just as crucial as the workout itself, the body goes to work repairing the damaged tissues. This is where nutrition plays a vital role. Consuming adequate protein provides the building blocks, amino acids needed for muscle repair and growth. The body uses these amino acids to synthesize new muscle protein, rebuilding the fibers stronger and thicker than before. This cycle of damage, repair, and growth is what ultimately leads to increased muscle mass and strength. Section 5. The Symphony of Strength. Muscle growth is influenced by genetics, hormones, age, and lifestyle choices. Genes determine muscle fiber type and growth capacity. Hormones like testosterone regulate muscle protein synthesis. Men have higher muscle building potential due to hormones. Muscle mass declines with age, known as sarcopenia. Exercise and diet can slow this process. Nutrition, especially protein, is essential for muscle growth. Muscles grow during rest, especially sleep. Building strength is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires consistency and dedication. Work in harmony with your body to unlock potential. Please subscribe to my channel for more insights on muscle growth and strength.